Okay, let's Florence the mathematics user, and we are asked to write down and simplify the fifth term in the binomial expansion into bracket 3 plus x to the power 7. Now here there's no need to become confused. Let's break it down. We know that our general term is giving us n combination r, a to the power n minus r, x to the power r. So we need to find our n, our a, we need to find the given x in the question, we need to find our n, and we need to find our r. Now take note of this. It says we are to look for the fifth term. Now what is our a? Our a is always the first term here, which is 3. And what is our x? Our x is the second term, which is x. What is our n? Our n is the given exponent, which is 7. And what is our r? Now for you to obtain the r is always one less of the term you are finding. So we are being asked to find the fifth term. So to find the r, it's going to be the fifth term, which is 5 minus 1. So therefore our r is going to be 4. It means that we are going to work with 4. So to find the r, it is always one less of the term you are being asked to find. So let's come back to our. So we have 3 plus x to the power 7 is equal to, we have n combination r. What is our n? 7. Combination r. What is our r? Which is 4. Then now, what is our a? Our a was giving us 3. N minus r. Your n is 7. I could have written the answer straight. Minus the r, which is 4. We are good with that. Then what is our x? Our x is x to the power r. And what is our r? 4. So when we expand this, we are going to obtain 7 combination 4, 3 to the power 3 here, then x to the power 4. Now let's take time and analyze this. What is 7 combination 4? So from our calculator, 7 combination 4 is 35. So we have 35. Then what is 3 to the power 3? It is 27. Then our x to the power 4. So now we multiply this 35 by 27. It's 945. So we have 945 x to the power 4. So if we were to expand this, the whole of this, the fifth term would have been 945 x to the power 4. And take note, you get to see that for the fifth term, the exponent of x is one less than the given term there. So this is how we go about it. We go over it again. Our a is 3, our x is the second term, our n is the given exponent. Then your r is always one less of what you are being asked to find. So 5 minus 1, so your r is 4. We do the substitution, 7 combination 4. At every point in time, the exponent of x should be the same as this, so 4. And we know that when the exponent of the two terms are summed up, we need to obtain 7. So if here is 4, it means here is going to be 3. So we have 3 to the power 3. 7 combination 4 is 35. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Then we have x to the power 4. And this is Florence, the mathematics tutor. Okay, so we continue. We have another question on the board. We are being asked to find the sixth term in the binomial expansion, where we have into bracket 2a minus b to the power 8. Now, we need to find our a. Our a here is 2a. Now, our x is -b. Our n is 8. But take note, your r is always one less of the term you are looking for. So the sixth term, so one less of 6, so 6 minus 1 is going to give us 5. So our r is 5. Okay, so now let's expand. So for 2a minus b to the power 8, we are looking for the sixth term, and now we have our various components. So our a, okay, so we have n combination r, which is 8 combination. Our r is 5. Now our a is 2a, all raised to the power n minus r. So our n is 8 minus the r, which is 5. Then our x was giving us minus b. So minus b all to the power 5. Now when we continue, we are going to have 8 combination 5. So what is 8 combination 5? 8 combination 5 is 56. So we have 56 here. Now 8 minus 5 is 3. Now what is minus b to the power 5? Minus b to the power 5 is going to be negative b to the power 5. Why? Because the exponent is an odd number. Let's simplify it. Minus b times minus b times minus b. Minus b times minus b is b to the power 2. Minus b times b is also b to the power 2 times minus b here. Now, let's move on. So here, and the indices, we add the exponent. So we are going to have 2 plus 2 is going to be 4. Then here the exponent is 1, 5. So b to the negative b to the power 5. Hope we get it. Okay. So here we have minus b to the power 5. So let's continue. So we have 56 here. 2a to the power 3. What is 2 to the power 3? It is 8. Then we have a to the power 3. Then our minus b to the power 5. Now, what is 56 times 8? 56 times 8 is going to give us 448. But take note, your b here is negative b. So the negative comes here. So minus 448. A to the power 3 and b to the power 5. So let's take note. So understand that negative b to the power 5 is going to give us negative b to the power 5. And the reason why it is negative is because the exponent is an odd number. If it is even, it becomes positive. Then now, we did the expansion. We saw that our a is 2a, our x is minus b, our n is the exponent here, and our r is one less of the term we are looking for. We did the substitution where we had 8 combination 5, 2a all to the power 8 minus 5, negative b to the power 5. 8 combination 5 is 56. Then we have 2a to the power 3, where 2 to the power 3 is 8. A to the power 3 minus b to the power 5. Then we continued and we had negative 448 a cubed b to the power 5. And this is Florent, the mathematics tutor. You can follow me on Facebook and YouTube. On Facebook it is Salute Florent, and on YouTube it's Florent, the mathematics tutor. Thank you.